All right, YouTube, listen, check it out. 1 2 1 2 1 2. If you're wondering why my voice sounds like this, is because I was at the Niners game. Okay, I was at the Niners game and we won 31-3. Come on, Niners, stand up. I'm just saying, my voice is the reason why, because we were winning and I was cheering. You know what I mean? But my voice wouldn't be like this if we were losing. I'd have just been quiet. You know what I mean? Half of y'all probably didn't know I was a Niners fan because, you know what I mean? I was quiet. All right, but now, all right, we'll see. But let's get our day started. We're gonna hyper jump to the shop. All right, we're gonna hyper jump to the shop right now. Let's go. Oh, man. I don't even know how I did that, but hey, listen, it's time to get to work. It's time to start cutting hair. It's time to clean up this mess right here. All right, this is all dirty. Let's get to the cleaning. Nah, you know what? There's some Raider fans, bro. They talk like they speak on it too fast, you know. So you're like, it ain't over yet. It ain't. That's what I was telling you. What did I say though? You're like, it ain't over yet. I was like, but it's not over. I know the Raiders fans. Every time the second half, bro. Hey, today is just one of them days today. It's just one of them days today, alright? We're showing every haircut, alright? At the end, I'm calling out everybody. Since didn't nobody want to take my challenge, I'm calling out everybody now. Now I'm dropping names. Now I'm name dropping now. Chris Basio. Matt Gifted Hands. Let me see. Vic Blends. Yeah. Do it on Instagram. Do it on Instagram then. Okay. Let me see. Who else? Yeah, I got more names. Just hold on. Just wait a minute. Get beamed. Holla at me. Get beamed. Holla at me. Holla at me. Get beamed. He ain't dropped in a minute. Get beamed. I need you. Talk to me. David Fowler. Let me see. David Fowler. Yeah. Hispanic channel too. Okay. I want all the smoke. Okay. I need you to, accept the challenge. Okay. All God dang it, this dang lens is just always dirty. George. Let me see. Let me see it's clear. Yeah, George. Let me see. You're not exempt. Memo. Let me see. Memo. Accept the challenge. You'll see. Just accept the challenge. Let me see. I don't know where he is right now. Let's just accept the challenge.
What's the challenge?
You'll see. You'll know the challenge when it is.
I'm on FaceTime.
Rellybo Barber. Oh, that's
Say hi, Bubba.
Cutie. What a cutie.
What's the challenge?
You'll see.
I was watching.
Okay. You'll see.
I ain't gonna.
People need to accept this challenge.
I don't know the challenge, but I accept.
Let's go.
I accept.
I don't mean to interrupt y'all conversation, but you gotta accept the challenge.
What challenge?
Listen, it doesn't matter what the challenge is, okay?
Okay.
The screen is just kind of, it's a little dirty here.
What challenge?
Accept the challenge.
You tell me later.
Accept the challenge. Let me not forget A-Rod too. If I didn't say A-Rod, show every cut, A-Rod. Every cut. Every cut. Every cut. Alright, you guys, so my 12:30, yeah, my 12:30 didn't show up. Or he's not here yet. Alright. But basically, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to see everybody's true skills. You know what I mean? Like, it's one thing to show just one haircut that you did and it was fire. You know what I mean? We all got that either the hair texture, we got the day where we're just on it. You know what I mean? That one haircut that we did, it was just on point. But I just want to see the quality of a barber. You know what I mean? Let's see what you do on every cut. You know, how consistent are you? That's basically this challenge. First time I did the challenge, didn't nobody want to step up to the plate. I had to say that loud because didn't nobody do it. Yo, Fonz, I'm calling you out too. Yo, Fonz, you said you was gonna do it and I ain't seen no video yet from you, but we gonna say that. I'm gonna call you, but we gonna say that on another note. But right now, I'm telling you guys, let's see the quality of a barber. All right, let's see how consistent barbers are these days. All right, Chris Basio, Matt Gifted Hand, anybody that's on YouTube. I can't name everybody. I'm sorry, I just can't. I can't. As this video keeps going, I'm definitely gonna name drop everybody I can. I'm gonna look on YouTube. You know what I mean? But that's all I want to do is just see the quality of you know what somebody can do as far as haircutting. So yeah.
California Department of Public Health and the National Opioid Action Coalition.
Want to upgrade your trick-or-treat setup this Halloween? Head to the Home Depot to make your very own at a free do-it-yourself workshop. An experienced store associate will help you learn new woodworking skills, like how to use circular saws and die nailers. And you'll end up with the coolest painting setup on the block. Today is the day for doing. Register at HomeDepot.com/workshops. The workshop is on Thursday, October 17th at 6 p.m.
Yeah, cut it low so you know how to
more
brush
saving,
your hair.
more doing.
So you know how your crown is. You know what number you cutting it to?
Whatever is best for the process is start.
Alright. Alright, so my 12:30 ended up showing up, so that was cool. So let's get to the next one. Alright, you guys, so I would show you the after effect of this cut, but then this one is, yeah, I'm gonna use this for a tutorial. So, yeah, stay tuned for this one.
It wasn't me or us.
She knows all about it. We stayed up talking about it for a minute. It's like, man, none of them really showed up.
You knew that I wasn't going, right?
Yeah, she knew you wasn't gonna go from the jump. I told her the whole story.
You told her about me?
Yeah, no, she was there when you called. She was in the background.
Oh yeah. But she knew though, right?
Alright, you guys, this is another one that I'm not gonna film. I mean, yeah, you're not gonna see the end results because I'm gonna do a tutorial on this one, but yeah, it's definitely in the vlog. So yeah. Alright, you guys, the day is over. I'm out. Alright, YouTube, listen, it's the end of the day. I'm in my office right now, about to get ready to edit this video. But listen, this challenge is to basically see what type of barber you truly are. All right, this is not really a diss. This will expose you though. To be honest, this will expose you though. But I just want to see what everybody working with. You know what I mean? I show every single cut I did today. Right? I'm not afraid to show it. I'm not afraid to show my inconsistency. I'm not afraid to show, my lack thereof, So I just want to see if everybody will take the challenge. I named off a gang of people, but even if you wasn't named and if you on YouTube and you got a barber channel, okay? I'm basically calling you out. Okay? I'm basically calling you out, okay? So to the fans, to the followers, to the people that support us on YouTube, spam everybody in the comment section, all right? Everybody, spam them. Share this video. Tell them Jeezy called you out. And if they ain't trying to listen, hound them, all right? Jump down their throats about it. Just spam them in the comment section. Just go crazy on them, all right? Jeezy is putting out a challenge. And it's basically to show every cut you did that day, all right? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. This is about to get interesting, all right? Yeah.